Now dearest friend, now next topic is cooling caused by evaporation. Means when evaporation occurs, then it gives the sense of cooling. Yes, obviously, yes. Because we might have seen the matka. Means in olden days, in village, still the water in the summer seasons, they are stored in a matka. Matka means earthen pot. Earthen pot has many pores, tiny pores, through which the internal water comes on the outer surface of the matka or the earthen pot. Now when this outer surface water evaporates, then it takes the some heat. यहाँ से heat ये ले लेता है ना? Means सीधी सी बात ये समझना है कि जिस बॉडी का हीट घटेगा वो क्या होगा? ठंडा हो जाएगा. जिसमें हीट ऐड करोगे वो क्या होगा? गर्म हो जाएगा. So similarly you have to understand in a matka or a earthen pot what happens when you store the water. As we know, it has many tiny pores. The water from the inner wall comes to the outer surface repeatedly, and when the temperature from the outer surrounding reaches to the outer surface, then what happens? Then the water molecule present on the outer surface of the matka, it gets evaporated very quickly, and when it gets evaporated, then it takes the heat, internal heat means यहाँ से heat लेके बाहर फेंक देता है, तो इसका heat कम हो जाता है, so ये आपका cool water रहता है, right? And we also just respirement. We also just keep on sweating at the perspirations. Human beings, when athletes run, sweating करता है, perspiration करता है. Why? To maintain the temperatures. Means to maintain the internal body temperatures. When you just do the hard physical activities, then you start to sweat or perspire. Exactly this sweating and the perspirations happens because our body need to maintain the constant temperature, that is 37 degrees C. Now when you just after sweating, जब हम लोग को बाहर काफी sweat आ गया, and when you relax under the fan, then what happens? The sweat present in our body evaporates. मतलब हम लोग का जो बाहर जितना भी पसीना है, sweat वो evaporate होके बाहर चला जाता है, and as a result you feel cool because we are losing the heat. हम लोग के बॉडी से हीट निकल रहा है, क्यों? Due to the evaporations, and as a result we are feeling the cool body here, relaxed. You might have seen when you play for a while, and when your body gets some maximum sweating, and when you just rest down, lie down under the tree, or maybe in the sad regions, then slowly after a few times you feel very cool, and this cooling occurs due to the evaporation. Means this cooling is caused due to the continuous evaporation of the sweating or the water molecules present in our body. Suppose doctor, you might have seen the doctors, before just applying the syringe to your body, he or she applies some spirit and that portion where he need to inject. Then this spirits put on your body. As we know, spirit is highly volatile in nature. It quickly evaporates from the surrounding heats. As a result, उस region हम लोग को काफी ठंडा लगता है, cool लगता है. When you take the petrol in your hand, petrol also evaporates quickly because petrol is also volatile liquid. Now while evaporating, it takes the heat from that region, and in that region we feel cool. So cooling is caused due to the evaporations. Means you can collect more examples. Okay, I have given here one example of the earthen pots, right? One example when you do the hard physical activities, and when you just keep on sweating at the perspirations, and when you just lay down, and when the sweat molecules evaporate, you feel the cool. Next, before injecting or applying the syringe to your body, the doctor applies the some spirit to that region where he or she is about to inject, and spirits evaporates quickly, taking the heat from your body, and we feel cool in that regions. And after that, when you touch the petrol also, पेट्रोल हम लोग हाथ में लेते हैं तो पेट्रोल क्विकली इवेपोरेट होना शुरू कर देता है. As a result, you feel very cool. So this is the reason behind, or you can say that cooling causes due to evaporation. You can mention other more examples also. So I hope, dear friends, you have understood cooling caused by evaporation. Exactly, evaporation means conversion of liquid into the gases. While conversion of the liquid and the gases, it takes some heat from that surface also. As a result, that surface gets cooled down. इसीलिए हम लोग का जो भी है मटका में जो भी स्टोर करते हैं लिक्विड, वो आपका ठंडा रहता है पानी इसमें. ठीक है. जब हम लोग पसीना आ जाता है काफ़ी खेलने के बाद, जब हम लोग थोड़ा जैसे आपका स्वेटिंग आपका इवेपोरेट होता है, वी फील कूल, रिलैक्स. स्पिरिट का एग्जाम्पल, पेट्रोल का एग्जाम्पल, ETC. इसके और एग्जाम्पल ले सकते हैं हम लोग, जैसे मिल्क. जैसे व्हेन यू हैव द हॉट सूप और द हॉट मिल्क टू टेक इन, हैव इन, तो उसको हम लोग सॉसर इस्तेमाल करते हैं. सॉसर में डालते हैं हॉट, तो क्विकली इवेपोरेट होना शुरू कर देता है. एज अ रिजल्ट दिस मिल्क गेट्स कूल डाउन. तो दिस आर द एग्जाम्पल्स to show cooling caused by evaporation. So dear student, up to this topic I think you have been well clear.